Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to introduce a comprehensive course that covers programming languages like C, C++, PHP, and Java. If you want to learn programming from the basics to advanced levels, this course will greatly help you. This course currently has 10,000 students and, with a rating of 4.2, it has shown great performance. The price of the course is currently around €20. In this course, you will learn the following topics: history and applications of C, C++, PHP, and Java, syntax and structure, input-output operations, function declaration, definition, and calling, and many more topics. The duration of this course is approximately 5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. I want to offer you this course completely free of charge, allowing you to access all its content legally without paying anything. Plus, you will even receive a valid certificate upon completion. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com on Google or any other search engine you use. Then, click on the relevant link from the search results. Make sure the website address is the same as what is displayed here. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the homepage of gotodiscounts.com. On this page, you can explore the latest courses offered by Udemy with discount vouchers. One of the courses we're referring to, as seen here, can be accessed with a discount coupon by simply clicking on this link. The course page will open for you, and you'll be able to view the course details. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to check the expiration date to access the discount coupon for this course. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to access this course for free through the Go to Discounts website. Now, instead of paying around €20, I can get it for free. Please note that there is only 1 day left for the discount. If you're interested in enrolling in other Udemy courses, you can legally and for free explore various sections of gotodiscounts.com and browse courses across different categories. You can also visit the All Discounts section and search for the course you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends so they can also benefit from these free courses. Finally, we ask for your support by liking and subscribing. Wishing you a wonderful and successful day.